Welcome everyone to our deep dive into building a Shopify empire from scratch, starting literally from zero and aiming for that 130,420 KLI milestone.
I'm all in. What's the kickoff move when you're starting with literally no money?
So, the first secret is leveraging Shopify's free 14-day trial. It lets you test out your store idea, say a niche like eco-friendly tech, without spending a dime, and it's all about
Yep,
validating your brand hypothesis from the get-go.
right. So you're essentially dipping your toes in the water to see if it resonates.
Exactly. Then, to find profitable products for free, you can scour platforms like Pinterest. Searching trending keywords like sustainable home decor can uh, really reveal hidden market gems when paired with Shopify's free analytics tools, which helps to make
Mhm.
informed choices.
That's clever. It's like instead of spending cash on market research, you're using the internet's huge data reservoir for free insights?
Precisely. And if you're in a hurry to build your store, Shopify's pre-made themes, like Debut, are a game changer. You can customize one in about an hour using free assets from Canva,
Yeah.
which means you focus more on strategy rather than design hassles.
Interesting. But what about bringing customers to the store with zero ad budget?
Great question. The strategy here is to tap into free channels, like engaging on Reddit communities such as R Entrepreneur. It's all about sharing your story and organically linking your Shopify store, capturing
Right?
the interest of a targeted audience.
I see. And what about scaling that without burning through cash? Isn't running ad campaigns expensive?
True, but there's a cool hack. They recommend running super low cost ads, like just $1 a day on Instagram stories, targeting micro niches. You test about 5 products and then scale the one that wins, which minimizes
Mhm.
risk and maximizes returns.
That sounds efficient, but I wonder, doesn't relying on these free and cheap methods sometimes limit your reach?
Well, it's a balanced act. While free strategies might have slower growth, reinvesting early profits, say 20% back into top performing ads, and using Shopify's analytics to track progress can, it's like, effectively accelerate growth without compromising on brand integrity.
Yeah,
Although, I agree, sometimes scaling requires a bit of cash injection later on.
fair point. And what about keeping those customers coming back? Any tricks for repeat business?
Absolutely. One cool pro tip is to use Shopify's free loyalty card app, where after around 5 purchases, customers earn a discount. Plus, adding visual trust cues like user generated photos builds
Mm,
credibility. All these little touches sum up to a strong retention strategy.
and what about streamlining the checkout process? It's usually a stumbling block for many.
You're right, friction at checkout can really derail conversions. So, enabling Shopify's one click checkout feature not only speeds up the purchase, but has been shown to boost conversions by about 10%. It's simple, yet super impactful by reducing the
Right?
steps in the buying process.
Wow, that's impressive. It really illustrates how every small tweak can add up to big gains.
Exactly. Whether it's using the Printful integration for print on demand shipping or setting daily revenue targets with Shopify's free dashboard, each secret is designed to help you scale organically from zero to that multi-thousand-dollar mark.
This is a treasure trove of insights, so many actionable strategies that any budding entrepreneur can start applying immediately.
Definitely. And remember, every milestone counts. Um, Celebrate each $1,000 as you see your store grow, and keep optimizing as you get data-driven insights from your storefront.
Cheers to that. Thanks for breaking it down. Can't wait to see someone scale from zero to Shopify stardom using these tips.